Hello students, welcome back to Future Foundation. Students, in last class of straight line, we have learned how to find distance, which is perpendicular distance of course, of a point from a line. Now in today's class, we will learn how to find distance of a point from a line parallel to the given line. So let's start the class. So students, write down the heading, distance of a point from a line parallel to the given line. Okay. So in this topic, what we have to do, we have to find the distance between the line and a point, but distance we will measure parallel to the given line, right? So suppose this is the line from which we have to find the distance of a point, say ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and a point p, say x1, y1, and a line through which we have to measure distance parallelly to this line. See, we have to find PM, but PM is parallel to this line to which distance has to be measured parallelly. Okay, now this is the topic. So for this, what we need to do, let us take a question to understand this concept. Question is, find the distance of P 1, 2 from 3x plus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0 parallel to x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the case. A line 3x plus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0 from which distance is measured from point P 1, 2, but distance should be parallel to x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so let us say this is required distance PM. So for this we have to find equation of PM, and if when we have equation of PM, then we can solve with the given line. Okay, say this is given line, right? Or not given line is this is given line, but this is the line from which distance is measured, right? So if we solve PM with this line, we can get M, and when we have M, so we can get distance between P and M by using distance formula, and equation of PM can be written very easily because we know very well, we know already PM is parallel to x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So equation of PM can be x minus y plus lambda is equal to 0, right? Because PM is parallel to x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Again I am same. Also PM is passing through P, so 1 minus 2 plus lambda is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to 1 because PM is passing, right? So equation of PM becomes x minus y plus lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. Now solve equation of PM and 3x plus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0 to get m. So therefore multiplying this x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 by 4. So this is 4x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 4y minus 18 is equal to 0. So this is 7x minus 14 is equal to 0 gives you 7x is equal to 2. Okay, so if x is equal to 2, then 2 plus 1 is equal to y, means y is equal to 3. So m is 2 comma 3. So PM is root over 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 2 whole square. So PM is root 2. Okay, now let us take one more question which was asked in JEE main in 2024. Okay students, so question is the distance of the point 2 comma 3 from the line 2x minus 3y plus 28 is equal to 0 measured parallel to the line root 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to. Same question, only data is changed, right? And the question was asked in JEE main 2024, right? So let's start in the same way. First of all, we need to find the equation of PM. So this is 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0 plus 28 is equal to 0, and distance is to be measured parallel to root 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, and this is point P which is 2 comma 3, and we have to find PM, right? So let equation of PM be root 3x minus y plus lambda is equal to 0. Okay, as PM is passing to 2 comma 3, so this will be root 3 into 2 minus 3 plus lambda is equal to 0 gives you lambda is equal to 3 minus 2 root 3. Okay, so equation of PM becomes root 3x minus y plus 3 minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve equation of PM with 2x minus 3y plus 28 is equal to 0. Now solve PM or equation of PM with 2x minus 3y plus 28 is equal to 0 to get m, right? For this, multiply root 3x minus y plus 3 minus 2 root 3 with 3. So therefore 3 root 3x minus 3y plus 9 minus 6 root 3 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 3y plus 28 is equal to 0. On subtracting, what we get? X times 3 root 3 minus 2 minus 28 plus 9 minus 6 root 3 is equal to 0, or x is equal to 19 plus 6 root 3 on 3 root 3 minus 2. Yeah, value of x is little bit complicated, but data is given like this, so what we can do, we can only do the calculation. Okay, so x is equal to 19 plus 6 root 3 upon 3 root 3 minus 2. So put this x in one of the equations, we will get y. So from here 3y is equal to 2 into 19 plus 6 root 3 upon 3 root 3 minus 2 plus 28. By taking LCM, we will have 3y is equal to 96 root 3 minus 18 upon 3 root 3 minus 2. Okay, or y is equal to 32 root 3 minus 6 upon 3 root 3 minus 2. So this is y. So m is 19 plus 6 root 3 upon 3 root 3 minus 2, comma 32 root 3 minus 6 upon 3 root 3 minus 2. So using distance formula, we can get pm. So pm is root over 19 plus 6 root 3 upon 3 root 3 minus 2 whole square plus 32 root 3 minus 6 upon 3 root 3 minus 2 minus 3 whole square. Okay, now taking LCM, we will have 23 whole square plus 23 root 3 whole square upon 3 root 3 minus 2 whole square. Okay, and after simplifying, this will be 23 into 2 upon 3 root 3 minus 2, and if I rationalize the denominator, what will be 3 root 3 plus 2 upon 3 root 3 plus 2. Okay, so this will be 46 times 3 root 3 plus 2 upon 3 3 9 3 27, 27 minus 4, which is 23. So 23 to the 40, and after multiplying 2 inside, what will I have? 4 plus 6 root. Okay, this is the required answer. So what is the answer? 4 plus 6 root 3 means option C is correct. Okay, so you can see Question is simple, but you can say calculation is involved. But if question was asked in JEE main, so थोड़ा तो करना पड़ेगा. Okay, now let's move to some more questions, miscellaneous type. Okay, question is find the equation of line passing through -2, -7 and making an angle tan inverse 3/4 with the line 4x plus 3y is equal to 3. Okay, so we have to find equation of line passing through -2, -7 and making an angle tan inverse 3/4 with the line 4x plus 3y is equal to 3. Suppose this is line 4x plus 3y is equal to 3 and a line making an angle theta which is tan inverse 3/4 and passing through -2, -7. Okay, so using angle between line concept we can find slope of line which is passing through -2, -7. Say for the timing slope is m, and for this line slope is -4/3. Okay, so from tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. We can say 3/4 is equal to mod of m plus 4/3 upon 1 minus m into 4/3. Okay, so after removing mod this will be plus minus 3/4 is equal to 3m plus 4 upon 3 minus 4m. Okay, now there will be two cases, 1 for plus and 1 for minus. So this is after cross multiplying this will be 9 minus 12m is equal to 12m plus 16. So minus 7 is equal to 24m. So m will be minus 7/24. Okay, case 1 is this, and case 2 also minus 9 plus 12m is equal to 12m plus 16. So you can see 12m minus 12m is equal to 25, or m common 12 minus 12 this is 25, or m into 0 is equal to 25, or m is equal to 25/0. So m tends to infinity. देखो यार मैंने यहाँ पर कैंसिल नहीं करा है ना, वरना मैं यहाँ पर ही कैंसिल करके दिखा देता और उस केस में तुम्हें -9 इज इक्वल टू 16 दिखता. ओके, बट एंड in that case if I would tell that m is infinity then some students were confused. Okay, so ऐसा मैंने करके दिखाया कि अगर दोनों साइड से हम m कैंसिल करते हैं इसका मतलब यही होता है कि m इंफिनिटी में अप्रोच कर रहा है. Okay, जैसे This step is not correct, but for understanding purpose we can do, right? So one slope is one slope is infinity and one slope is minus 7 by 24. So there are two lines possible. One which is passing through minus 2 comma minus 7 and having slope having angle same. If this is theta, this is also theta, right? If this is minus 7 by 24, this is infinity. The equation of lines are y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1, and second one is y plus 7 is equal to infinity times x plus 2. So this will be x plus 2 is equal to 0. So two lines are possible. Okay, let us take one more question. Right angled isosceles triangle having right angle at 3 comma 4 and opposite side or opposite line, opposite side 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 to 3 comma 4. Find other two sides. Okay, so here is a triangle which is right angled and also it is isosceles. So isosceles triangle is right angled and isosceles means if this is theta, this is also theta and this is 90 degree, right? And side opposite to 90 degree is 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Let's say slope of this side is m and slope of hypotenuse is minus 2 upon minus 1, which is 2. So using again concept of angle between the lines, we can say, and here theta is 45 degree, right? Because triangle is right angle isosceles. So using tan 45 is equal to mod of m1 minus m2, because m2 is minus 2, so this will be m plus 2 upon 1 minus 2m. Tan 45 is 1, so this will be plus minus 1 is equal to f m plus 2 upon 1 minus 2m, right? So there will be two cases, one for plus and one for minus. 1 minus 2m is equal to m plus 2 for positive. So 3m is equal to minus 1. So m is equal to minus 1 by 3. And for second case, which is negative, minus 1 plus 2m is equal to m plus 2. So from here m is 3. So we have to find slopes. If m is 3 for this line, then m is equal to minus 1 by 3. और होना भी था because these two lines are perpendicular. So equation of lines y minus y1. Point where 90 degrees formed is 3 comma 4. So y minus 4 is equal to slope times x minus 3, and other side is y minus 4 is equal to slope times x minus 3. These are two sides. You can simplify further. Okay students, now let's meet in next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.